So the great thing about this plant matter here is that we're just weeding in the plant reproduction area, and we dump the extra plant matter in here. Now, with the exception of some toxic plants, which we wouldn't want to dump in here, all these plants are either plants that the chickens might peck at, or at minimum they'll compost and insects will eat them. It'll make the soil under them a little bit more humid, and so it just ends up being biomatter that was waste, in big quotes, waste theoretically, but actually ends up then becoming awesome dirt that we can reproduce more plants in. So it's win, win, win.
The low lives.
What's extra funny is when my
Apparently, Natalie said New Zealand is the same geographical area as the UK.
yeah,
Ish.
and Ireland.
That really surprised me.
Ireland.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on.
Together. You don't know it together. Land mass size.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh.
That's what I think.
Oh.
I always in my head picture it larger.
You could be right. I don't know
Yeah.
why I've got it in my head that it's about the same, but
It could be the same. Also, we're looking at Mercator projection maps.
Yes.
And so you have to use this really cool
Yeah.
website where you can drag countries on other countries, and it shows you
Oh,
the
I like
actual
that,
size.
Yeah.
Because Russia's not even close to as big as you think it is. Greenland is not as close to big it is. And if you look at a map of Africa,
Yeah.
oh my God, Africa's huge.
Yeah.
You can fit the United States in it. You can fit Canada. You can fit all these other countries in it.
Really?
Oh yeah,
U.S. and Canada.
yeah, I did.
Africa's super big.
Wow.
I did research the size of New Zealand versus. Anyway, I'll get back to